Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best metronomes that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Tempi metronome for musicians. Here is a metronome that can accurately play the music without the use of any batteries. This is perfect for long practice as it has an average wind of 20 minutes. Furthermore, this is made of durable materials that features steel gears. With this, there will be less frustration, and the tempo rate is of 40 to 208 BPM. Moreover, it is adjustable and allows you to select from the different beat bell. It has an attractive look with its mahogany grain veneer and includes a free ebook and microfiber cleaning cloth for your convenience. Additionally, it lets you learn perfect timing and play in the right place. This will let you know a firm sense of rhythm and develop the ability to use your fingers with preciseness. At number 4. Wittner wooden metronome. If you are looking to master your skills in music, then this is the one for you. The metronome has an attractive look and is available in 5 different colors. Moreover, it comes with a bell and is ultra-lightweight. This has durable housing and lets you use it conveniently. Furthermore, this is accurate and delivers outstanding performance. This is made of all plastic and comes at an affordable value. It is perfect for enhancing your performance and lets you use it for a long time. Additionally, this has an exterior made of real wood and allows you to have a proper storage location. This is also adjustable and can be a perfect gift for any music enthusiast. At number 3. Seiko Quartz metronome. Equipped with an LED light, the metronome lets you select from 2 types of sounds. You can easily select from beat and tempo and get a visual indication during the performance. This is ideal for practicing and allows you to adjust the tempo from 40 to 208 BPM. Moreover, it includes a convenient 39-position rotary dial that lets you have easy controls. Additionally, it has compact housing and features a built-in stand. This is also extremely durable and lets you carry it anywhere you want. Furthermore, it is from a popular brand and has high-quality craftsmanship. It is lightweight and lets you select from perfect tempo settings. This also includes an earphone jack that lets you practice without disturbing others. At number 2. Boss metronome. The metronome delivers outstanding sound quality and comes with trigger input. It acts as a unique rhythm coach exercises and has 50 memories. Moreover, it has the ability to make 4 metronome sounds including human voice and includes the feature of reference tone that makes it easier to verify the tune. You will also find a built-in mic that helps to detect acoustic drums and rubber pads. Furthermore, you can connect it directly to your bass and guitar and monitor it through the headphone. Additionally, this has easy controls and comes in a lightweight design. It has multiple functions and can be an ideal rhythm coach for a beginner. This lets you have better practice, and you can even adjust the levels according to your needs. At number 1. Korg tuner metronome. This one comes in a multifunctional design and is highly useful. It allows you to use it as a metronome and tuner, and you can use it independently or simultaneously. The metronome features a backlit display that lets you have enhanced visibility. Moreover, it has a powerful battery and has the ability to support a broad range of instruments. The metronome range is of 30 to 252 beats in a minute and lets you select from 3 types of tempo settings. Furthermore, you can also select from multiple rhythm variations and features convenient memory backup. Additionally, this will let you use it conveniently as it has the feature of auto power off. This is ultra lightweight and allows you to have better functionality. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.